Alright guys, I just got a dump trailer that has brakes, and my half-ton pickup does not have a brake controller, so I went ahead and ordered this on Amazon. I test it out and see how well it works. The link for it is in the description. If you guys are interested in also purchasing one. It also got this wiring harness. You guys, before you guys actually order this, make sure you guys get in here and see what kind of plug you had. On Amazon, it was actually recommending to get one that was over here. It was like a little square plug, but mine does not have that. I actually had to go over here and find one. I'm gonna have to go under this to show you guys. That would fit this blue one right here at the top. So make sure you guys come and actually visually inspect your guys' connectors, because you may order the wrong one. So go ahead and hook. Alright, I got it mounted and installed. This is what it's showing. And when I push on the brakes, see that it's applying pressure back there. And then you can turn this knob on it. I'm going to pull it all the way forward. You can see it changes a little bit. Now I'm going to go all the way the other way. Now I'm going to try to put it back in the middle somewhere. So, alright, I'm getting ready to take off and test this thing out. Really feel the brakes kick in, and then I can actually feel it release when I actually let off the brake pedal. Stopping really nice. it got cold there for a couple days though. It's good that it's warmed back up.
Sounds like it's coming back.
Yeah. Alright guys, I just dropped off almost 3 tons, just a little under 3 tons, and now I'm driving with an empty load, and it really pulled really well. The brakes really stopped pretty good. You can really feel it pulling from back there, and now that there's no load in it, it's like even more, like I can really feel that, like when you put on the brakes, you can really feel the brakes from the trailer a lot more than you can with the load in it. And it's even more when you let up off the brake pedal. So it's doing a very good job. Yeah, I can really feel it lock up. Again, it was doing really well with almost 3 tons in there, so I'm pretty happy with it. Before I got this brake controller, I had actually taken 2 smaller loads in. I think one was just a little over 2 tons and one was like 1.5 tons. And I mean, it did all right, but you can definitely feel the difference with the brake controller and actually using those brakes on the trailer. So definitely get a brake controller. All right, see you guys later. Girl might want to see this.
He's gonna get his ass fucked. That's the boy does. You're gonna get your ass whooped.